Hello and welcome to 3 Ways to Mess Up Someone's Day on Animal Jam. Today we're going to be playing as a Komodo dragon, and our first thing is going to be kind of funny. So we're going to go into this juice hut thingy. We're already here. Whew. Okay, well that was fast. And so this is one way you can really mess someone up. Okay. And so now we're going to just gonna do some dancing here. Okay. And so let's say why. And so whatever they say, you have to answer why. Why? I'm not sure if you can see it because of the light, but that's okay. You know it. You know that tiny word bubble above says why. Why? See that little word bubble? That says why, if you can't see it. Haha. This is like the funniest prank ever. We could be sitting here all day. Why? Oh, this is the most hilarious prank ever. Or just mess up ever. Do you realize they keep the ocean alive? Why? The world is falling apart. Why? Game 8, why? Fine. Why? This is the funniest thing you can do in this game. Like, just say why over and over again. And it has to be in this specific place. Don't come when a child comes. Why? This is like a really funny thing you can do. So, we're just going to keep doing this. A little more. By the way, after I make this video, I'm going to keep doing this like all day. Of what tiger? Because they're extinct. Why? I know it's hard to see and I apologize, but that's okay. Don't cry to me when your fur coat ain't clean. Why? Okay, so now I'm gonna do this a couple more times, and then we're gonna move on to our next prank. Say something, come on. Whoa. The endangered list is now for living. Why? Okay, so now we're gonna move on to our next prank here. He replied something, but I don't care. Well, now we're gonna do the snowball prank. So we're gonna go here, and this is a good prank you can do anytime, really. Anytime. Well, the other one you can do anytime, but this one maybe not so much. No. 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 Okay, enough of that one. And so now for our last one. This one is kind of a funny one. And this one you really can do anytime. So you ask someone to join you in checkers. It has to be checkers. It can't be any other game but checkers. Has to be checkers. Okay, someone took it. And what you do in this one is you say, King me, and then you quit. That's all that one does. And then that person will be like, what? And so that's kind of how you do that one. So that is going to wrap it up for today's video on 3 ways to ruin someone's day on Animal Jam. And I hope you enjoy this video. You can see some more Battle Cat videos and all of our other videos of playing games and maybe not even games on our channel. So goodbye. I will see you soon.